Smartfampantry is built using React Native with Expo for the front end, Fast API with Python 3.12 for the backend, and Firebase Firestore for the database. Authentication and real-time syncing are managed with Firebase Authentication and custom React context. Smart Farm Pantry simplifies pantry tracking, making it seamless, connected, and efficient for every member of the family. We also have included barcode scanner, which uses the Open Food Facts API to autofill item names and details. First, I will log in with the existing email. Once I have logged in, I'll be introduced to the home page, which has a health and nutrition tip, which is regenerated every time you open the app. Let me bring you to the Family Hub tab. This Family Hub tab shows you the family ID that you are currently in. Remember that this family ID is created when you create a particular account, and the family members that are under this particular family ID. As we can see, there are two members at the current stage. Let me bring you to the Inventory tab. The Inventory tab is the tab that allows you to uh, access and update a centralized inventory of groceries, fresh produce, household essentials, and etc. Each item tracks the quantity, the expiry date, and category, making it easy to stay organized and aware of what's in stock. For example, we have eggs that are in 15 quantity. We can increase the quantity as well, at the same time decrease as well. We can delete this listing, and we also can see that who is added by, and the expiry date and the category. We can now simply add a product, for example milk. We can set a quantity, for example 8. We can set up an expiry date, for example 2025, 06 and 27, 28. And we can choose the category and we can add the item. Now we can see the milk is shown in red, and we can see that there's a banner and notification that says we have one item expiring soon or low in stock. This shows that the app automatically flags low stock or soon to expire items, helping families reduce food waste and avoid last minute grocery runs. And at the same time, a single tap moves any item from the inventory to the grocery list, as you can see. Now we also have the scan barcode feature, which you can scan of the products that you can find in the supermarket and immediately add them into the inventory list. For example, I have with me a chrysanthemum tea with a barcode scanner. The barcode is scanned, and now it automatically fills out the name of the particular item. Now you just have to enter the quantity, the expiry date, which can be found inside on the packaging itself, and choose the particular item, beverages, and add. This makes adding item more seamless. Now we can proceed to the grocery list, we can see that the milk is transported into. We can also categorize the grocery list by the categories we have. We can add and we can add the quantity, the particular categories, and add item. We can delete the item as well. And at the same time, we also have included GrabMart and FoodPanda PandaMart website links, hyperlinks into the app, so we can easily access the platform to order our whatever we need to restock. Next up, we have the settings page where it allows us to leave the current family we are in and change the quantity which can an item is considered low stock. When we go back to the low stock item, when we add a particular item, for example bread, and we add a particular number 2 which is below the low stock threshold, we can add a expiry date which is above 1 week, for example 0908, and we can choose what product this is, and we can choose what product this is, which is pantry, and then we can add the item. Now we can see that this product is also under a color which is orange in this color. You can see the two items in expiring soon or low in stock. This helps us to know which item is low in stock, which item is expiring soon, and helps us to add them into the grocery list and order them. And also at the same time we can log out from this particular account as well. Now let me show you how we can create a new family ID. Now let's sign up. Now we test up with a particular email address, for example testing @gmail.com, and we create a password. We can either create a new family or at the same time join an existing family using the family code that was shown below and that was shown before that. Let's create a new family. For example, testing to family. Once we have entered that, now we can see there is a brand new uh, interface without any items added or in the grocery list and inventory list. And the family hub shows only one member, which is testing2@gmail.com. Now we can also share this family code with a link that was given, and allow other members to add into this family code and allow them to change the items in the inventory and grocery list. Simply put, this app allows, using a shared family ID, all household members to access and update a centralized inventory of groceries, fresh produce, and household essentials, and etc. And each item tracks quantity, expiry date, and category, making it easy to stay organized and aware what's in stock, and add them to grocery list and making shopping even more easier and smart.